Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Students, welcome to the POQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Let us discuss a question from NEET UG paper 2020. The question says the variation of electrostatic potential with radial distance small r from the center of a positively charged metallic thin cell of radius capital R is given by the graph A, B, C or D. You have to find out the correct one. So to get the correct answer for this question, you need to know the expression for the potential produced at any distance r from the center by thin spherical cell. See, if I say the charge on the thin spherical cell is Q, then the potential is given by Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R. Okay. Now, for a thin spherical cell, there is no charge inside the cell. All the charge resides on the surface. In that case, electric field is 0 inside. If electric field is 0 inside, look, this dV dr is 0. Then derivative of any quantity with respect to distance or any variable is 0 means that quantity is a constant quantity. Okay, that is a constant quantity. So there will be a constant potential inside the cell, and that constant potential has a value exactly the value on the surface. Okay, that is 4 pi epsilon naught R, where that is on the surface. This is the value of electrostatic potential on the surface of the cell, and inside also there will be constant potential of same value. Okay, so that means the variation of potential will not be there up to the surface. There will be a constant potential up to the surface, and thereafter the potential will be varying as 1 over R. So this is at R greater than capital R. Okay, that means any point outside the cell, the potential will vary as 1 over R. So look these options. Option A is saying that up to surface there will be 0 potential. This is not true. Look this C, it is saying that the potential is linearly varying. This is also not true. We have seen that will be constant. So option B is showing you the correct trend, at least up to the surface. So it is constant, okay, from origin to the surface. This is also not the correct trend up to surface. Okay, and look, outside the surface it is varying as 1 over R. Okay, V of R is varying as 1 over R. So this is actually the answer. Okay, option B is correctly representing the electrostatic potential, the variation of the electrostatic potential with radial distance small r from the center of the cell. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you.
A lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com